Hi there, it's Caroline from Twinkl. Let's take a closer look at this Twinkl resource. Explore rhyming words in early years with this set of handy worksheets. Can children think of words that rhyme with the ending sound in each flower? Children may like to write them out with a whiteboard and a pen. This way they can change the first letter to find different rhyming words. Doing this can help children to understand that rhyming words have the same ending sound. Encourage children to say each word out loud. This will help children to hear and recognise the rhyming words. This activity could also be done using pegs. Can children make different rhyming words by changing the first letter of each word? Adapt the activity by increasing or decreasing the number of pegs that children have to choose from. Why not incorporate Play-Doh into this activity? Children could use the Play-Doh to make different letters and create different rhyming words. You could also explore this activity with magnetic letters or letter cards. As an extra challenge, you could provide children with a sentence. Can they read the sentence out loud and identify the different rhyming words? Alternatively, an adult could read or say a sentence out loud and children could call out the rhyming words that they heard. Visit the Twinkl website for more rhyming activities and resources. Enjoy the activities. See you next time.